Your Excellency, the President, Dr. William Ruto, Dr. Patrick Njoroge, my regulator. I have to behave when my regulator is around. Governor of the Central Bank of Kenya, John Gashora, my fellow CEOs, John Gashora, Paul Russo of NCB and KCB, Cabinet Secretaries, although I should, from a protocol perspective, I should have acknowledged Cabinet Secretaries, both outgoing and incoming, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. I wanted to say that before I start, whilst John Gashora used a paper, given that I work for a telecommunication business, I have to use my iPad. Yes, I had to catch you on that, John. I know that both Paul and John have spoken about partnership. So I want to talk about both the power of M-Pesa, the power of partnership between private sector, but also when we involve government, including regulators. We can create great things. We can really transform lives. Safaricom purpose is all about transforming lives. We launched M-Pesa back in 2007, where there was only 600,000 loan accounts in the country of 35 million. So there was a lot of excluded people. Today, we have grown to more than 20 million loan accounts due to services designed for Mwananchi, such as M-Shwari, MKCB, Fuliza, amongst others. The impact has expanded and afforded credit access. It is demonstrated by stories of ordinary people like Mama Lena, one of our customers. Mama Lena began her entrepreneurship journey by borrowing a few thousand shillings through M-Pesa to start a business. And I know, Your Excellency, you've spoken about many stories like those of Mama Lena. Her business has expanded to employ another 5 women. In total, they support more than 25 other dependents. So over 600,000 Kenyans have also purchased their first ever smartphone, because as we think about access, digital access is very important, and access to smartphones is a big enabler of that. So we are driving what we call Lipa Mdogo Mdogo, enabling them to participate in the digital economy by paying 500 shillings as a deposit and 20 shillings off their M-Pesa every day. We launched Fuliza, as John has said, in 2019, the first ever service that empowered customers to complete a mobile money transaction in case of insufficient funds. The innovation came after we observed that our customers would, within 2 days, repeat 50% of the M-Pesa transactions that had failed due to lack of funds. Fuliza, therefore, empowers a customer to complete the transaction when they need to, rather than postpone and miss the opportunity simply because they do not have a few hundred shillings or even 10 shillings. The governor was telling me about someone trying to buy medicine and not having the amount to actually complete that transaction. So beginning, to John's point, beginning 1st of October, together with our partners NCBA and KCB, we are further building on our Fuliza partnership to empower more Kenyans with even more affordable access to credit. All customers will enjoy Fuliza free of the daily maintenance fee for transactions below 1,000 and below 3 days. So for the first 3 days, they won't have to pay any daily maintenance fee, which they pay today. This affects 80% of the current Fuliza transactions, enabling us to further achieve Fuliza's true goal of empowering customers to complete transactions in case of insufficient funds. The 3-day free daily maintenance fee period will allow customers who currently use Fuliza to complete more transactions while attracting more customers to the solution since it's more affordable. In addition, we are reducing the daily maintenance fee by 50% for Fuliza transactions of 1,000 and below. Customers will also enjoy reductions in daily maintenance fee for transactions above 1,000, up to a maximum of 70,000. We will maintain the Fuliza access fee at the current 1% across all transactions, including those of 1,000 and below. This establishes Fuliza as the most accessible and affordable credit facility at only 1% of the transaction value, especially when customers repay within a relatively short period of time. In total, these changes will in cumulative lead to a 50% overall reduction in Fuliza tariffs across the board. At Safaricom, we believe we can only succeed when our customers are succeeding. We are therefore regularly pursue initiatives that uplift our customers. Some of our previous initiatives include free M-Pesa transactions below 100, which we still provide to date, which we call the Kadogo economy. During COVID, we provided M-Pesa transactions below 1,000 for free of charge to support customers and businesses to transact remotely. We further reduced our M-Pesa rates by up to 45% in January 2021 after reinstatement of fees, enabling our customers to continue enjoying more affordable rates. And following today's announcements, millions of customers and businesses will benefit from free access to and reduced access or affordable access to credit, enabling them to do more with M-Pesa. I wish to recognize Your Excellency, Dr. William Ruto, our President, whose government support has made it possible and inspired us to reduce our Fuliza rates as part of the commitment to provide Kenyans with sustainable and affordable credit. I thought you would clap. In addition, I also want to thank the Central Bank of Kenya under the leadership of Governor Patrick Njoroge for your support for more than 15 years that M-Pesa has existed for you and your predecessors. Further, I appreciate our partners, NCBA and KCB Group, alongside their respective CEOs, John and Paul, for their long-standing partnership that enables us to deliver innovative and affordable financial solutions to our customers. Going forward, we maintain our commitment to our customers to continue delivering affordable and innovative products, including both for individuals but also for enterprises and merchants being a big opportunity. These also include investments that will empower our customers to grow their financial health, not just inclusion but also financial health, of course subject to necessary regulatory approval. So we are delighted today. We are happy to partner both in private but also with the government and the regulator to deliver great news for Kenyans. And thank you for your inspiration, Your Excellency. And now invite Patrick Njoroge, Dr. Patrick Njoroge, the Central Bank Governor, to say a few words and invite Your Excellency. Thank you very much.